Hey, welcome to This Mama's House. Today I'm sharing with you my postpartum basket. Hey guys, if you are new, my name is Tabitha and I am currently expecting baby number 5 due any day now. I'm just about 38 weeks and I wanted to share with you everything that I have here for postpartum recovery. This is a really special time to me and I want to be able to relax and just chill with my baby for as long as possible. So having all of this put together in one spot, I usually keep it right in the bathroom next to the toilet. It just makes things really easy and I'm able to care for myself while also caring for my new baby. So I thought this video would be helpful for any new moms, either brand new moms, first time moms, or seasoned moms. Maybe some of these items will inspire you to get them too so that you can take care of yourself and recover faster and just have a more enjoyable postpartum. So if this is the first time you have ever been to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. I have more content like this coming out before the new baby gets here. And I also like to post just homemaking videos. Cooking, cleaning, all that fun stuff. I did a bunch of different freezer meal videos to help me prepare for postpartum. So all of the homemaking mom life stuff is here and I'd love to have you join this channel. But let me show you everything that's in here. The bag that I have all of my postpartum care items in is a 31 utility tote. So I do not sell 31 bags, but I just love this tote. It is so big and it's so convenient with the handles so I can just move it around easily wherever I want it to be. We also have our vlog channel, the Kelley Krew, right on here. So shout out to my vlog channel. If you like family vlogs, go check us out over there. But I think it's so huge. It holds everything that I need. And I also put like a little bin inside to kind of separate some of the smaller items. But let's show you everything in here. So obviously I have a bunch of pads. We have long super and then we have extra overnight in here. So I have quite a bit of pads. I also have way more down here. So these are also the super overnight maxi pads. Right here I have some of the mesh underwear. So these are nice because you can easily wash them and they dry really fast. So I will probably be using these the first week. And then for the first day, I have some Depends diapers. So I will be able to use these for like the first 24 hours. That'll be nice and very convenient. And then in here, I actually have cloth pads. So as the postpartum bleeding slows down, I can use these, and these are reusable and washable. So I prefer to use these, but I think it's nice to just have the disposable stuff for the first week or two. Then I also have some plastic grocery bags to throw these used pads in here and to just tie them up so that I don't have to put them in my regular bathroom trash. I can just keep them separate and it will just like help with the smell or whatever too. And then back here I have 3 Perri ice pack pads. So these you just kind of like break and shake and then it turns into a cold pack, but it's also a pad too. So these will be really nice for the first day to just cool that area down. In this little bin that's in here, I have my outfit that I'd like to wear after birth right on top. So I have a nursing tank top right here, some leggings, and then just a pretty robe to throw on over it. And then here are a lot of my supplies that I'm excited to use and I know are going to help me so much during postpartum. So the first thing is I have 2 Pari bottles. So this is what I will use instead of toilet paper for the first couple weeks. So I can fill these up with a variety of things. Warm water and soap is an option, but I also have witch hazel, which I like to add to it. This soothes and cleanses, so this is really good for the skin and it helps out a lot to heal. And then I also have iodine, and this is for any tearing or abrasions or scrapes that I might have, and it just kills germs. So this is nice to have. You just put a tiny bit in the Pari bottle, fill it with water, and then you have a really nice antibacterial solution to use. I also have a bottle of Asea. So this is a healing spray that we have used for so many years, and I just like to have it on hand. I also have this Perri Spray from Earth Mama. This is a really nice spray. It smells so good, and it just kind of like lifts your mood just smelling it, but it also feels really nice and is very healing. I have this Perri Salve. So this is from Hued, and it's just like a little cream that you can use, and it helps to soothe and heal the skin. But I've never tried that one, but I have tried the Perri Balm from Earth Mama. So I love this one. It's kind of got a cooling sensation, and there's just so many beneficial herbs in here that it really does help to heal the skin. So this is my favorite one, and I highly recommend having this. I will leave all of the items that I share in this video in the description box in case you want to get them for yourself. But two other little remedies that I have are some Bach flower essences. So I have Walnut and Star of Bethlehem. Now these are really nice to have on hand. They're homeopathic remedies. Walnut helps to adapt to change, which having a baby is a big change. And then Star of Bethlehem helps you to get over shock. And even if you don't have like a shocking birth and it's really a great birth, it's still kind of shocking to your body to go through labor and delivery. So I like to have these remedies. I also have Silica homeopathic remedy that helps with fatigue and irritability. And then the last two homeopathic remedies that I have is Arnica. So this helps with bruising or like body aches, and it can help with nipple pain and stuff like that. So I like to have these on hand. A herbal supplement that I use after birth is called After Ease Tincture. So this helps, it's a uterine relaxant with those after birth pains. I did talk about this in my breastfeeding basket, breastfeeding essentials video. So if you want to go check that video out, you can go check it out. It'll pop up right here. But I like to have this on hand and just keep it in my water, and I can drink and sip on it throughout the day and get all the benefits of that. Then I have some essential oils down here. The first one is Tranquil. This is like a roll-on essential oil. So this is a roller bottle of essential oils, and it has lavender, cedarwood, and chamomile. So it's totally safe to use around the baby, and it also is just very relaxing. Then I have two more essential oils that I love, Peace and Calming and Stress Away. And these are just to help with mood and all that postpartum. And the last thing that I have in here is a herbal bath soak. This has Uva Ursi, Comfrey, Lavender, Yarrow, and Shepherd's Purse. So it's really nice to, you can put it in a bath and take a little bath with the baby, or you can do a little sitz bath where you just kind of sit in like a little bowl of it, or you can kind of brew it into a tea and add it to one of the Pari bottles. So I like to have these, again, just really healing for your skin, and also the smell is great for like boosting your mood of these awesome herbs. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that I have in my postpartum basket. Hopefully it helps you out and gives you some ideas on what you can have on hand for the postpartum period. It's such a special time, and it's really important that you care for yourself so that you can best care for your baby. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and leave me a comment down below if you think I'm missing anything, or if there's something you think is essential that I forgot about. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!